Hi, my name is Mike Strickland. I'm the technical trainer at Norton Rixson division of the Asa Abloy Door Controls Group. Today I'm going to show you how to upload new firmware on the 6000 series low energy operator, allowing you to update older firmware or to update firmware that has been written for a specific application. Once tech support and or engineering has determined the correct firmware version that you need, they will email the firmware to you. Once you receive the firmware, you should complete the following steps. First, download the firmware onto a USB drive. We recommend using an 8 gig or smaller micro SD card in a USB adapter. On the primary circuit board, locate the USB port here. Place the USB drive into the port. You'll locate the small white button labeled Load here. Press the load button and hold for 3 seconds. You should see the lights on the circuit board light up. The operator will restart and not respond to the inputs while updating. LCD screen will show warnings for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once that is over, LCD screen will show update setup. We do not want that. We want to update firmware, so menu up towards the LCD screen. Now the menu will say upgrade firmware 2, and it's going to give you the firmware version. Make sure that is correct and then select yes. Once it's done updating, it's going to say update success. OK, you click OK, and then it's going to ask you to copy. You never want to copy. Always pull the USB out. Give the operator a few seconds to reboot. Once it's rebooting, you can go either on the NROS system or go into the circuit board, menu down to where it says firmware version, and you should see and confirm the firmware has been upgraded correctly.